Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's Mo. Welcome back. Sorry, it's a late live stream. I know market opened up like 10 minutes ago. For some reason, it wouldn't let me go live, so I had to restart my computer and stuff like that. So, yeah. But anyway, we here another day, Thursday, December 11th. Uh, man, yesterday was a very rough day for me in trading, outside of trading. I talked about it last night when I went live and shit. Yeah, just getting back to the basics today, man. Just getting back to the basics, kind of regrouping. Only entering something when everything's checked off. Yeah, just getting back to only entering my setup and, you know, kind of just regrouping. Getting back on track and shit. Maybe that's what I should change my title to actually on YouTube, is getting back on track. Since I hold on, I'm gonna do that actually. I'm gonna change my title really quick. Just to getting back on track instead of getting back to the basics. Getting back on track. Ah, there you go. That works. Cool. All right. But yeah, we here, man. So let's go over what the market is doing right now. We don't have any news today. We did have unemployment claims earlier, but yeah, we have no news for the rest of the session. So as you see yesterday, for FOMC, we ended up buying up and then coming right back down and taking out this liquidity. So on ES, I don't think we have any bullish SMT. Pretty sure. Yeah, all these lows. We don't have any bullish SMT. You see, we respected this 4-hour fair value gap right here. And I'm going higher. We also inverse this little mini 4-hour as well. So right now we are in this 1-hour gap. So we already know that's perfect because we're in a higher time frame PD array. So we're in a 1-hour gap. So we just have to wait for a 5-minute bullish fair value gap to be correlated. We're not in one at all, unless we like drop down here a little bit. But yeah, we're not in one, so we just gotta wait for like a 5-minute correlation. So yeah, just gonna be patient today. Not being so antsy. That's something that I've noticed when I am. Hold on, let me put the stream up on my phone. That's something I noticed watching me stream or watching me trade live, like watching it back. That I that I fucking am too antsy, bro, and I enter shit way too soon, and I need water and I need my hat. That's something I noticed, is I'm just way too antsy to be entering trades, way too fucking antsy. And I don't know why I'm in a rush to always enter something. I don't know why I'm always looking to be in the first trade I see, It's just kind of like, what the fuck? So, yeah, on ES, we are in this 5-minute gap. Are we in a higher time frame on ES? So, yeah, we did enter a 1-hour also on ES. And we are in a little 5-minute gap right here. So we didn't inverse no bearish for, well, we kind of did right here actually. But I don't really like how ES is forming right now, so I'm not gonna enter anything on there. But yeah, man, just I don't know, not being so antsy, not rushing into trades. Last 2 days has been rough. We basically gave back all our profits. Yeah, we were 10 points away from winning yesterday and missed TP again. Could have easily put TP somewhere else, but I didn't, and here we are, man. Here we are, $140 from drawdown. So basically almost break even on the account. And yeah, man, Just kind of sad. Just kind of fucking sad, you know? Also what I would want to see is pushing up, is a displacement up out of here as well. Because then we can combine. That's something that I also want to do too, is combining. So with my old model, it's kind of like the foundation of it. Like for me to even be an idea of entering the trade, I had to have a liquidity sweep, right? With this one, the foundation of it, like what I have to be in order to even think about the idea of entering a trade, is a 4-hour, 1-hour, 15-minute fair value gap. And also with the old model I traded, to make it A++, we didn't have to be in one, but to make it A++, we would also have a liquidity sweep in a higher time frame fair value gap. So they kind of correlate, right? So I'm trying to like correlate the two, where we're in a higher time frame gap, we also have a liquidity sweep, and then we wait for either that displacement, that 5-minute gap, you know, these things. So yeah, but like I said, I just gotta observe the market, be on the charts of a perspective on an observer, not be on the charts where I'm just trying to like rush into shit. So yeah, we're in a 30-minute as well, 15-minute. Just wait, man. Honestly, this whole week has been choppy. I think this is my last trading day for the week. I'm not gonna trade a No News Friday tomorrow, especially this week has been shit. So yeah, not doing that. I'm kind of just looking at next week. Oh, you have CPI and shit next week. Yeah, but this is my last trading week, or last trading day for the week. Not gonna be trading. I don't like trading Fridays, and especially with this week has already been so ass price action wise, and kind of mentally for me, this is just my last day, and we just regroup the next couple of days, and yeah, we get ready for next week. But right now we're just focused on today's session, focused on our habits. Same thing, man, same fucking thing. Can't believe we back. Literally telling myself I'm gonna quit yesterday, and here I am. Here I fucking am. Yeah, so right now initially market's selling. Respected is selling down, so let's see what we get. We're starting to drop into this 15-minute down here as well. We are also going to be in some 5-minute gaps here. Also going to be in some 5-minute gaps. Man. I hope FOMC for y'all was a lot better than my FOMC. Also, my shit did end up getting copyrighted, bro. Look at this. Dude. Like, what the fuck? Why is it partially blocked? Why is it partially blocked? Can I, like, see why it was copyrighted? Oh, yeah. Metadata is hidden. Content found in 19. Bro, I don't know, one day. Oh, okay, that, yeah. But like what Belarus, Russia? Wait. Claimant is blocking. Oh, boy. I don't get. I'm sorry if anyone's watching my shit from Belarus, Russia. Like, I guess you can't see my shit, but there's, bro. Like, come on. That's all right. Yeah, I ain't tripping. Him. This claim doesn't restrict my video at all. Okay, bet. Wait, what does that say? Oh, well, no, I don't got. Yeah, when I can start getting monetized, I definitely gotta be careful with my shit. Never mind, then we good then. Oh my god. Market straight dumping. Market is straight. Or let me keep that up actually. I'll delete this though. Holy damn. Holy shit, bro. Holy fuck. Look at this. 1 hour is gonna close in 9 minutes. We're gonna see how we close, because obviously, yeah, if we close like pretty fucking bearish inversing this, then you know I'm just bearish. Wow. I'm confused. So, hold on. I'm like trying to figure out my Robinhood like investing thing. Hold on. So I have, oh no, I just want to exit. So I have, how do I get withdrawable cash from a Roth IRA? I already sold all my stuff. Yeah, what? Oh, is it cause it's probably I have to wait for it to be like finalized or some shit, huh? Yeah. Oh, but it says that's not pending though. I might have to do that shit after I get off live and really like see what the fuck's going on, honestly. So it doesn't make any sense. Well, yeah, my individual too. How is it? Like what? This doesn't make any sense. I ain't gonna lie. This makes no sense. I feel like Robinhood, at least what I'm seeing so far, Robinhood makes it really like confusing to transfer money. Like transfer from your bank account to transfer from Robinhood to your bank account. It's like not that simple. Like Just why is it saying in my Roth IRA I still have all this money in there, but like I don't at the same time, you know? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at that shit after because this shit makes no sense actually. But how do I even look at like order history? Like that's where I'm like, what the fuck? History right here. Reports and statements. Okay, I'm good now. So Amazon Market Sell, Amazon Market Sell, boom, Roth IRA. So I sold all of these. So we're back in this 4 hour as well, y'all. We're back in this 4 hour gap. But the market's been pretty fucking bearish today, so. But how? I just don't understand. Yeah, just in my Roth IRA, I have $0 cash right now. Why is it saying 0? Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Because the market orders were just this morning, so I do just gotta wait, honestly. I was just curious, though. That's fine. Yeah, since, look at this, 9:30, we're at 6:20. We sold over 200 points. Today's probably gonna be a no trade day, because if we sell 200 points straight down, that's pretty we're just either gonna consolidate or we're just gonna keep pushing today, and there's not gonna be no setup. I almost didn't get on the charts today too, because I was like, bro, it might just be bad price action anyway. But yeah, I don't know. We're gonna be on for a little bit longer. We're not gonna be on for like that long today, especially with price just straight off selling from open. We're most likely just gonna consolidate after a push like this, after pushing 200 points, you know. But let's just wait to see what we get. We'll wait a little bit. We'll wait probably like, I don't know, 10:20, 10:30 maybe. I'm gonna try to hike Pinnacle Peak today. I've never hiked Pinnacle Peak, but it's like a staple out here in Arizona. It's one of those hikes that like one of the most popular hikes out here. Let me see. 4.1 miles. 1,020. That's 4.1 miles round trip. 1,020 feet elevation. So in what, 2 miles up, you're gaining 2,000 feet. That's not terrible, but that is a little steep, depending on especially like how it starts. Like out here in Arizona, the hikes be like, bro, you be flat first, like you're just walking normally, and then all of a sudden, like the last like mile, half mile, that shit's always steep as fuck for like a lot of hikes I notice out here. Some of them are actually really fucking hard. I ain't gonna lie. And she claimed her as best friend, but she's sleeping with her man. I gotta make sure my GoPros and shit is charged because I'm definitely gonna record on that hike, boy. Yeah, look at this. The market's just dumping, straight dumping, bro. Wow, look how we close on this 1 hour. So bearish. So fucking bearish. It means tomorrow we might just have a continuation of it, huh? Guess it makes sense. Look at this buy up that we got. Only our real only like hope for a setup today would be us to retrace into one of these bearish for value gaps and obviously go from there, but I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. It's funny as fuck. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on.
I know that's right, bitch. Bitch.
What the fuck? Okay. And she claimed her as best friend, but she's sleeping with her man. She do what she wants, not can. This is a confession to make. She was taken. When my turn, 'cause I got patience. Live and learn. Ooh. Damn, why you gotta do it like that? Front. Okay. See, we're starting to retrace. Like I said, guess I would like to see us retrace into this 5 minute. Not gonna lie. Definitely would like that if we can get to somewhere here. Oops. Yeah, this makes sense. We're gonna wanna, rebalance a little bit after selling so much. Oh yeah, y'all also see that Jake Paul, bro. Jake Paul and fucking Anthony Joshua, bro. What? Jake Paul and Anthony. When is that happening? Actually, wait, you're lying. Yahoo, don't play. Yeah, okay. So December 19th. What day is that? What day is December 19th? Oh, that's on a Friday? Fuck, I think I'm gonna be at work, bro. What time? Hold on, what time is... Fuck, bro. I'm gonna be at work. That shit's so ass. I mean, even if it was on Saturday, I don't think I would have been able to watch that shit anyway, because I'm not gonna be at work with the Packers play. Packers play the Bears, so... Yeah, not watching a fucking Jake Paul fight over the Packers. What the hell? It's crazy. We were in that 4-hour gap, weren't we? Yeah. Now we just been straight pushing up. This is good because I also do want us to honestly trade in this 5-minute as well. Looks like we're about to. Looks like we're definitely about to. Good. Yeah. Holy shit. Yo, we are pushing the fuck up. Man, we straight pushed down just for a straight push up, but now we're in this 5-minute as well. So I do like that. Push 200 points down. Now 100 points up. Oh. Y'all. Listen. The reason why I might get off this bitch is because us pushing straight down, straight up, I don't fuck with it. I don't fuck with the... Bro, we could definitely just, like, be so, like, back and forth. Or, like, we could definitely be so choppy. Because we push so many points both ways, like... I don't know, y'all. I might be off this bitch. I'm not trying to force nothing in this price action where it's just straight down, straight up, and there's not even no setup for me anyway. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably most likely off this bitch because even if it retraces a little bit, there's not gonna be no setup for me today. I can just tell already. We're in a 5-minute. I do like how we're in a 5-minute, but we're not in no higher time frame PD array. You know what I mean? We're in that 5-minute bearish. And that's really it. I don't want to be caught in chop where if I enter a trade, it's choppy because we already pushed so many points. So I think I might save myself the sanity today and get the fuck off the charts. Short session. Market from open. Bang. 200 points down. 100 points up. And yeah, now we're kind of just going to create some structure here. Probably retrace a little bit. But yeah, I'm not trying to drive myself crazy today, being in a trade that's gonna be choppy as shit, you know, shit like that, man. So yeah, I'm gonna just get off this bitch, y'all. I'm not gonna be on tomorrow. Don't trade Fridays. I do trade Fridays, but not this week. Has been ass price action wise, P&L wise, discipline wise. Hit rock bottom yesterday mentally, so I'm just kind of good off trading for a little bit till next week. Today I'm about to go on a hike. About to just enjoy myself. Definitely gonna record on the hike though, so y'all honestly get a hiking video out of me. Y'all will get a hiking video out of me this weekend. I'll upload my hike that I'm doing today. But some more content coming soon. Yeah. But alright, y'all. Love y'all. Y'all stay safe, man. And see y'all next week on Monday for the trading this weekend. I'm probably definitely gonna edit my videos, edit them into clips, and then yeah, like I said, upload a hiking video. So, but all right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, channel growing, man. Channel growing slowly but surely, man. You see this? We at 85 subscribers. Very happy. We're about to be at 100 videos. But I know like clips count as videos too, like my shorts and shit. So, but yeah. Anyway, alright, y'all.